In this step-by-step tutorial, I am going to show you how to view company's EPS, means earning per share. On Yahoo Finance, by the end of this video, you will be able to find the EPS for any company with easy. First thing first, you have to open the Yahoo Finance application on your mobile app or on your PC, and then go to search box and search whatever company you want to see. I want to see Tesla's EPS. Click on that. So here you can see the Tesla's shares, and now I want to see EPS and scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see the summary, analysis and financials. Click on the financials. Now here you can see the EPS. Click on that. Now you can see the EPS. So the dotted ring which represent the EPS estimated rings, and the green rings are which shows the actual earnings. If you want more details about this company EPS, how do you click on this, how is it used, you can see here all the information. So, and that's it. That's how you can easily find a company's earning per share on Yahoo Finance. If you found this tutorial very helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.